Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, front wheel drive, privacy glass, luggage rack, tires, front all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires, rear all season, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.